do you observe effervescence when you open a bottle of Coca-Cola? Effervescence is the sound which accompanies release of gas. So whenever you open a bottle of Coke and listen, you hear a sound. And the question is saying, why do you observe this sound? And you should explain using a chemical equation. Coca-Cola is classified as a carbonated drink. By carbonated, it means the drink that is able to produce carbon dioxide. So, carbon dioxide is responsible for the effervescence. But this explanation is not enough, because we are asked to explain using a chemical equation, which means we are going to explain the chemical reaction that produces this carbon dioxide. Inside the bottle of Coke, we have a lot of things, but the primary thing that makes this Coca-Cola to become carbonated is what is called carbonated water. Carbonated water is water that carbon dioxide is compressed inside it. In the Coca-Cola company, carbon dioxide is not completely soluble in water, so they force it inside water. When they force it, it will irreversibly dissolve and form an unstable acid known as carbonic acid, whose formula is H2CO3. It is this carbonic acid that exists inside the bottle of Coke under high pressure. Now, because the pressure is high, this carbonic acid is unable to decompose. But once you reduce the pressure, it will decompose and form water and carbon dioxide again. And the only way you reduce the pressure inside is by opening the bottle. When you open the bottle, the pressure inside will decrease. And when that decreases, you have altered the only condition that makes this carbonic acid stable. And what happens? This reaction occurs. We have water and carbon dioxide. It is now this carbon dioxide that comes out with an effervescence sound. And this is the equation that explains the effervescence that occurs when a bottle of Coke is opened.